Hello, Taste Test Tuesday viewers. Today we are back with Claire today.
Back again,
yes,
baby.
the original Taste Test Tuesdayers. But today we are going to be trying the Animal Cookie Blizzard from Dairy Queen. I've seen it all over the talk.
All over the talk.
And now it's time for Anna to try, and Claire.
That smells so good.
It does smell very good, and it's very chunky.
Yeah, it is.
Lots of chunks.
Many chunks.
Which I like. You can see the icing
Texture.
chunks, light pink in the color.
Beautiful.
Make sure you get lots of chunks.
I hate that word. but
Why?
I don't know. It
Okay,
sounds gross.
ready?
Yeah.
I'm a little underwhelmed. Are you?
Something in there is bitter. I don't know what it is. Why don't I blow it? It's not hot.
I almost feel like they just crushed up the animal cookies and stirred it up.
No, nothing special.
I feel like the cookies would be better if they were soggy.
Absolutely not.
Why?
Soggy cookies?
Yeah, they're like so crunchy.
I'm into it. I like the texture, I really do. The taste is what throws me off. The aftertaste is bad. The initial flavor, spectacular. You could make this at home with a Ziploc baggie in your foot.
I don't know. I'm underwhelmed. I mean, it's good. Would I get it again?
Okay. After I had that bite, I'm getting film. A filmy
Yeah.
like texture in my mouth.
The film is like, you have to like pick it off the roof of your mouth on it.
I'm not loving it.
I feel like I could scrape my tongue.
With one of those
Mm-hmm.
tongue scrapers,
And it would just come off.
I need to brush my entire, like the roof of my mouth and my tongue. I'm like,
The roof of my mouth is smoother than it's ever been.
Very slippery.
It is kind of addicting, like you want to keep taking
Yeah.
bites.
But you know when you have a bag of animal crackers and you just keep taking it? It's like that
Yeah.
with this thing, except it's almost like you want to get rid of the aftertaste, so you
So
keep eating it.
Yeah.
Not for me.
It's just,
It's weird. It's different. It's
you
like
don't
two
dip
things
these
that
in
you
milk
wouldn't-
normally.
No, two things that you wouldn't think would go together. Like brownie, drink it with milk. Cookie, dip it in milk. Animal
those-
crackers.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't want to be too much because I keep taking bites of it, but
You are addicted to that, but
I'd probably give it like a 5.5 out of 10.
if you had a bowl of raisins sitting here, would you eat the raisins or would you eat the blizzard?
I would eat the blizzard.
I'd eat the raisins.
Well, overall, I think the taste is decent. Definitely would not be in my top 5 blizzards, but
The aftertaste, the film, not loving it, definitely brings down the average of my rating. Without the aftertaste, I would give it a 5 out of 10. But with the aftertaste, I'd probably give it a 3 out of 10.
well, sorry if you don't agree with us, but that's just how the cookie crumbles, and I guess we'll see you next week. Bye.